Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Fialkov, and here are some important facts you should know about rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is one of the most popular types of cosmetic surgery, as well as one of the most difficult. Poor surgical technique can lead to deformity. Because it's such an unforgiving procedure requiring the utmost precision and skill, it's not uncommon for many people to seek a secondary procedure after feeling disappointed with the first. Choose your surgeon wisely if you want to ensure the best outcome the first time around. The ideal surgeon should not only have technical expertise, experience, and of course a good bedside manner, but an aesthetic sense as well. If you're interested in rhinoplasty, here are some facts that you should know ahead of time. First, a nose job isn't just about appearance. It should not be assumed that everyone seeking a nose job is doing it for cosmetic reasons. It should also be assumed that a cosmetic rhinoplasty is going to at least preserve your good breathing, if not improve your poor breathing. Discuss this with your surgeon during the consultation. Ensure that he or she has the technical know-how to preserve or improve passage of air through your nose, while still making it narrower or smaller. Of course, some people genuinely need rhinoplasty for health reasons. It can provide a better functioning nose in addition to a nicer looking one. It can help make nasal breathing easier and relieve discomfort associated with sinus or breathing problems. There is no one size fits all. The definition of a perfect nose is simply one that appears as natural and symmetrical as possible on the face. Even though you might like a specific shape or size of nose, that doesn't necessarily mean that that shape or size will look good on you. A good surgeon will help you understand the limitations of surgery and the ideal nose shape and size that will achieve a natural and attractive appearance on your face. The ideal nose should blend into your face naturally and not stand out. In general, nasal surgery is safe. Today's rhinoplasty techniques and technology are more predictable, accurate, and effective than ever before. While there is always the possibility of a complication, these are extremely rare. Problems such as an allergic reaction or infection are very rare, and most of them can be treated effectively. Final results can take up to a year to become apparent. The recovery period for nasal surgery can last for a few weeks, after which most of the swelling will disappear. However, some of it may last for up to a year depending on the patient. For this reason, in the rare instance that something does not meet the patient's expectations, it's best to wait for a whole year to determine whether or not the result is in fact satisfactory, or if a revision should be considered. Your surgeon should be able to guide you through this process to make a final determination as to whether a revision is necessary or not. Rhinoplasty is more common than you think. After breast augmentation, nose reshaping surgery is the second most popular cosmetic surgical procedure. Hundreds of thousands of men and women over the age of 18 get a nose job in the US and Canada every year. Filler injections are not necessarily safer. Don't think that a non-surgical solution will be safer. Filler injections can actually be more risky than the rhinoplasty procedure itself. The injections carry a risk of affecting the arteries located near your eyes and could potentially lead to blindness. Furthermore, it's virtually impossible to achieve the degree of change and aesthetic improvement that can be achieved with surgery using fillers. There is minimal or no scarring with nasal surgery. Unlike some other cosmetic procedures, there are no external scars with a closed rhinoplasty procedure. With an open rhinoplasty, there may be a small, virtually invisible scar between the nostrils. Now that you know more about nose surgery, you can begin looking for a qualified skilled surgeon. It's recommended that you start with Edelstein Cosmetic in Toronto. Thank you for watching.